Welcome to page 21 of Accel Packet number 3. On this page, you can practice solving equations that require term combining. Our I can statement is given an equation, I can use term combining to solve that equation. Before we begin, take a moment and drop a dotted line down the equal sign of each of our equations. We're going to take a look at a few problems together, and then you can quickly complete this sheet on your own and check your answers at the end of this video. Once you're done with this video, you must complete and submit a 3-question quiz. That must be done before the end of class. Let's take a look at a couple of these together. Let's start with number 5. Whenever we have a single variable like x, please put a 1 in front of each of those x's. Begin to box and circle your constants. Term combine. We have 2x's plus 13 equals 35. And then you're going to solve this problem on your own by subtracting 13 from both sides and then moving forward and dividing. We'll check those answers later. You can complete most of this on your own. Let's move to number 6. In this case, we have a gain of 2x's, a gain of 3x's, a gain of 4, but a loss of 5. No constants on the left side. So as we bring these together, 2 and 3 make 5, plus 4 makes 9x's, minus 5 makes 4x's, equals 36. This is a one-step solve. All we have to do is divide both sides by 4, and we get x equals 36 divided by 4 is 9. Now, let's take a look at one more together. Then you're going to pause the video and complete the rest on your own. Let's take a look at problem number 9. Let's box and circle our x terms and our constants. We have a gain of 5x's, but a loss of 3x's. And as far as constants go, we have a gain of 2. We know this is a positive 2. But a loss of 7. Let's start by bringing together our x terms. We get 2x, and then when it comes to our constants, we have a loss of 7, but a gain of 2. We get minus 5 equals 25. Once you're done term combining, you're ready to solve. Go ahead and add 5 to both sides and continue on by yourself. Pause the video and quickly complete this sheet. At the end, you must take and submit the quiz that goes along with this lesson. Pause the video and then check your answers when you're done. Please pause the video now. Mark your answers as we check your work. For number 5, give yourself a C if you have x equals 11. Number 6, x equals 9. Number 7, x equals 6. Number 8, x equals 5. Number 9, x equals 15. Number 10, x equals 5. Number 11, x equals 21. And finally, number 12, x equals 8. Now complete and submit the quiz at the end of this lesson. This concludes page 21.